Alright guys, today I've got a deer leg. Let me put my camera down a little, maybe up. Okay, I've got a deer leg rawhide. I'm going to dry scrape it. You can see it's thoroughly dried. It won't go bad now. The fur's not slipping. And I'm going to dry scrape this, and I might scrape this fur off, but we'll see how long it takes. First thing I got to do is I got a piece of, I don't know what kind of flint this is. It's from a long time ago, but look how shiny it is. And I gotta make me a scraper edge, which, lucky for me, is one of the easiest edges there is to make. There we go. This flint flake's good. I might have to make an arrowhead out of it after I'm done. I want a couple. Now this back will just grind down so it's not sharp, and it's already kind of like that, not sharp. Alright, grind that down. See, these tools, if you're just making a tool for utilitarian purposes, it don't take that long to make a tool. Now I got a new pad I made last night because I couldn't find my older one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press these flakes down and try and center everything up a little bit, but only on with them going the same direction. Let me put you down just a, I guess up. Sorry, I'm still learning, you know, with this GoPro, what's up and what's down. And I'm also sorry, last night's video, I had it in the rainproof covering because I was planning on being outside and it was supposed to rain. And it didn't rain. And I didn't realize until I had combined the different sections, rendered it all. I tried to turn the volume up in the thing called Video Guru, which is my editing software, and I turned it up as loud as I could, and unfortunately it still wasn't very loud. But you can see I've got good scrapers now. And if I was making an arrowhead, I might as well still do it. Take this side down here. Take this side down. Oh, that's a tough spot there. I've got to get a whole new technique for this new pad. I don't know if I accidentally threw my other one away, but there you go. We got a nice straight scrapey edge. Maybe I'll take some of the sharp corners off. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's put this on my leg. Put this down to where you can actually see. Hopefully I'll figure out how to edit all this out. See, dry scraping See how quickly that's coming off? The white is the salt and the membrane, and then this underneath is the hide. And the cool thing about a rock is there's several different, points that you can use. Now, when you say rawhide, this is for real rawhide. See that? That's for real rawhide right there. If you boil this in a pot, you will get super glue. It's not like the dog chew. The dog chew rawhide will make glue, but it's been treated with chemicals. This has only had salt put on it. So, okay, now let me show you a little bit of the hair side. This is the hair side. Let's see how it scrapes out. I see there how that scraped out. You scrape all this off, scrape all this off, and then damp it and stretch it, let it dry, and then cut it in a circle, and you can make bowstrings and sewing thread and all kind of stuff with it. Let's see, the video is 7 minutes, but that's basically what I wanted to demonstrate, what I'm doing with my hides, why they're just salted and dried so that they can be scraped easy. You know, a lot easier than wet scraping, at least in my opinion. I did wet scraping, and the stuff just slides around and you can't really tell. I mean, I guess you can tell, but it's a lot easier to tell this way what's actually hide and what's membrane. So with that, please like, subscribe, and all that stuff. I don't like to ask that, but I want my channel to grow. I'm doing different things. Probably in a little bit here, I'm going to be doing, I work in heating and air conditioning, and I have tons of scrap, that I got from heating and air conditioning. I want to recover all the silver from it. So I'll make a video of that called Silver Recovery. So have a good evening, and thanks for watching.